Good morning to all listeners of this presentation. I would like to use this medium to talk about our duties are also our responsibilities. We basically know that we live in different society and we have some different tasks, we have some different duties, we have different responsibilities that we are going to do in those society that we are living in. I can say we have just seen how we can show that we are responsible people. We show that we are responsible by our actions in society. And however, our duties in our family and our places of work are called our responsibility. So, for example, it is the duty of our parents to give us a good education. They are therefore responsible for keeping us in school. The duty in keeping us in school is their responsibility. And also, when they do this to the best of their ability, we say that they are responsible parents or that they have a sense of responsibility. Again, our duties in our places of work are our responsibilities. While a person may be a cleaner, another may be a secretary, another a doctor or a teacher, a lawyer, different works. These different people have different responsibilities. So it is how well we do our work with a sense of duty. A responsible person, for example, a cleaner who comes early to work and keeps the office clean, so we can say that this cleaner is a responsible person because he discharges his responsibilities properly. And also a managing director, that is MD, who comes late to the office to read the newspapers and entertain visitors while he leaves his work and are done, meaning he refused to do his work and he went away. So we can say it's not a responsible person. He is irresponsible, or he does not have a sense of responsibility. With this comes to the end of this presentation, and I hope we will try to be responsible members of the society where we are living. Thanks for being with me. I, the presenter Bashir Usman, saying thank you once again.